Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the exact field schema needs: name, description, SKU, brand, price, currency, availability, and identifiers. Once done, pick a canonical product URL and high-quality image. Make sure to validate GTIN or MPN if available, because search engines rely on accurate identifiers. If you have ratings or reviews, gather average rating and review count now. This step prevents rework and lets you map each item to a JSON-LD property immediately, so you can jump to markup without delay. You will create a compact JSON-LD block using Schema. Org vocabulary. Start with at context and at type set to product. Then add core properties like name, image, description, SKU, and identifier fields. Next, include an offers object that contains price, price currency, availability, URL, and seller info. Once the offers node is in place, attach aggregate rating and individual review objects if you have them, and nest identifiers like GTIN13 or MPN. Make sure property names match schema. Org exactly to You now validate the JSON-LD with a structured data tester to catch syntax or missing required fields. Once validated, add the script to your page head or just before closing body tag. Make sure it does not conflict with existing microdata. After deployment, monitor Google Search Console for indexing errors and rich results status. If issues appear, check property names, price formats, and availability URLs. A common fix is correcting currency codes or ensuring identifiers are unique per product, which resolves most parsing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.